Do you know that your body constitutes of 75% of water? Do you know that the water you drink determines over 75% of how healthy your life will be? Are you also aware that if your water is in its purest state of alkalinity, is the best way of fighting the root cause of all degenerative diseases? Ibada Kangen Water International Limited, in partnership with a Japanese company of over 47 years of existence, is here to educate and provide you with healthy water and healthy water solutions. Our machines produces for you 7 different types of water, including alkaline, microclustering, antioxidation water that is healthy for human consumption and buffer the body by providing it with vital minerals. You can access your Kangen water machines and accessories from us at our office located at Suites G8 Alibro Atrium by ABC Transport, Utako, Abuja. You can reach us on calls 0806 407 3489 or WhatsApp 0703 808 9208. Ibada Kangen Water. Change your water, change your life.